In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Whop subscription step by step so you can create a recurring product, bundle your community or digital access, and publish it to your store the right way. This is a super useful setup if you want to sell memberships, access passes, private content, courses, Discord access, or any kind of recurring digital product on Whop. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're on your home feed inside Whop. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Dashboard. This will take you into your seller panel where you can manage products, settings, and everything related to your storefront. Now that you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu panel again and find Products. Click on Products to open the section where all of your offers and subscription products are managed. This is where you'll create the new subscription that customers will be able to purchase. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, click the Create Product button. This is the starting point for building your subscription product from scratch. Once the product setup page opens, you'll need to fill in your core product details carefully, because this is what customers will see when they land on your offer. Start with the name of your product. Make it clear, simple, and easy to understand. Then add a strong headline that quickly explains what the customer is getting. After that, upload your banner image so your product looks polished and professional. A good banner can make a huge difference in how trustworthy and appealing your offer looks. Now it's time to configure the pricing model. Look for the pricing options and select Paid Access. This tells Whop that your product is a paid offer rather than a free one. Then choose Recurring from the drop-down menu, because that is what sets this up as a subscription model instead of a one-time purchase. After that, enter your price. Make sure the price matches the value of the access you're offering. Then choose your currency depending on where your audience is located. Next, select your billing duration, which is the payment interval. This could be weekly, monthly, or another recurring cycle, depending on how you want customers to be charged. Once your pricing details are set, click Next in the top right corner to continue. Whop will then move you into the part where you bundle the actual access and experiences that come with the subscription. On this screen, select the apps and experiences you want to include with the product. This could be Discord access, chat rooms, courses, digital files, private communities, or any other experience you want to deliver to subscribers. This step is important because it connects the subscription with the value your customers actually receive after paying. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the right bundle items for your audience. If you're selling a community subscription, Discord access might be the main feature. If you're selling education, then a course or digital file bundle might make more sense. The goal is to create a subscription that feels valuable, organized, and easy to access. After you've selected the apps and experiences you want, click Next again to review the final details on your product page. This is your chance to double-check everything before publishing. Review the name, headline, pricing, recurring billing interval, and bundled access to make sure everything looks correct. If everything looks good, the last step is to click Save Product. This will publish your subscription live to your store and make it available for customers to buy. Once it's live, you can share your Whop link, start driving traffic, and begin growing your recurring revenue. And that's it, you've now learned how to set up a Whop subscription product from start to finish. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and drop a comment if you want more Whop tips and workflows in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.